Okay, so welcome to Cooking with Freeman and Lobo. We are here at the local produce market in Lawrence, Kansas. And we have a menu tonight of ratatouille. So, what do you make of that?
We have selected this store because they have the locally grown and also therefore 58 cents each red bell peppers, which if you go up to Dillon's, they're $2.50 each. But these are, yeah. So, you know, you pick your store wisely, right? You gotta know where to get your stuff, because I wouldn't come here for other things but produce. If you were to recognize that monster, actually is the Hebrew letter V, which the Hebrew numerology, V equals 6. So guess what? Your monster has a bright 666 just staring you in the face.
Wow.
Check it out for yourself, Hebrew.
How about these prices? Have you noticed prices going up or not?
Oh, God, yes. We found it cheaper now to go out and eat at a restaurant than to come to this grocery store.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
It's exploding, isn't it?
With the grocery
prices, yeah.
Yeah. It's probably going to get worse. That's why we got the gardens.
Yeah, exactly. We'll show Disney how to make ratatouille. All right? Dude, what up? What is that?
With a little love and a little good friendship, you can take, you know, what it would cost to eat one meal out. Oops. Sorry, excuse us. And turn it into sweets and treats for 8. So, yeah, we just hit the bakery with the lovely goodness. Just to top it off, you know, the little cream on the crepe. But when we finish with all the cooking and love that's going to go into the food we make, these are just going to be the shizzle.
Oh, now this is disgustingly cute right here. Look at you two, man. Look at you two. What are you making here?
Ratatouille.
Ratatouille. And to keep everybody satisfied while we wait for the beloved ratatouille, I have blended up some hummus.
Yummy. Is this homemade here?
Yeah, just
garbanzo beans?
Just now. Oh. Yeah.
What else? Lemon, garlic. What else do we do?
There's all the stuff there. You got a little sesame, tahini, yeah. And you've got your olive oil, which was given to me by a friend of Freeman at the New York Grand Lodge, where the UFOs flew over in 1013. Was given to me by a good listener, John, from his own personal Greek farm.
Oh, yummy.
He had heard a tale of me losing my olive oil, and he's like, wanted to get it to me. So it's John's olive oil from his personal farm. It's the wonderful bread we picked up. Tahini, all these spices, you know, pepper, and lemon juice. And that's really it, you know, cumin, salt, and pepper. And here.
Dude, let's chow. Oh, snap. Get out. Oh, yeah. Delicious.
Let's go share.
Thank you, Freeman. Let's do it. All right, Jamie, what do we got?
We got spaghetti sauce on the bottom, and we got green zucchini, yellow squash, eggplant, and red pepper.
Yum.
This, just wanted to make ratatouille one day, and so I looked it up on the internet, made sure everything was vegan and healthy, and so we replaced like butter with olive oil and sugar with maple syrup and stuff like that.
And it works.
Yeah, we use a lot of coconut oil, olive oil, and maple syrup. Agave nectar is a good one.
Oh, yum. All right, so again, Freeman, where did all this lovely, delicious looking stuff come from here, man?
Actually, all the lettuce was grown in somebody's front yard, not too far away from here. They're turning all their lawns into permaculture gardens, and now they were begging us to take all the greens because they can't keep up with it. So now we're begging you to eat it all so that we don't have to watch it go to the worms. But there's no waste, right? Everything goes back to the worms, goes back to everything else, and round and round it goes. Yes, the almond baked, what is that? Sweet potato yams. This also came from the Kieran Farms up the street, which is actually their front yard. which is collard greens or some sort of mustard green or something. And so we had to have that. And then quinoa, I mean, that was like a quarter of a cup of stuff. And quinoa just is a nice sprout that we're going to put this on the salad, actually.
And this is all basically just locally grown in mostly
Everything.
people's front yards and backyards and whatever.
Yeah.
And people just coming together and sharing food. How
Very
about
easy.
it? Simple enough. Simple enough solution, right?
And then, of course, the ratatouille.
What? And Steve Winwood. I mean, come on. Ratatouille and Steve Winwood, guys. Come
You
on.
gotta carry your own food. Like the guy who just traveled here, and we have some of his sprouts on our salad, he just travels with these cups that sprout food, and that's all he can eat. So he just eats raw sprouts the whole time he's traveling. I think it's the guy who made the Friend of Freeman website, actually. He came up here and got to talking with us, and then heard about the website we wanted to build and said, oh, okay, and went home and made it. But he left these here, and it's a cup that you just grow your own sprouts in. And so he travels with the cups, and he keeps them in the dark, and his food just constantly grows, and you have live nutrients and everything you need.
And he grows this in his car?
In the car while driving, yeah. It just keeps replenishing itself. It'll just keep growing.
Everything's ready to be served.
Dude, let's grub. It's on. It's on. So tell everyone about the permaculture revolution. What's going on here? Exactly. In a nutshell.
You know, it's a global block party. And it's a global block party.
Right on.
We all need to meet. We all got to come together, share the love in our food. And with this, it envelops and erupts into a massive new era for humanity. I mean,
So it's basically just about keeping each other fed. And
it
fed
really
nicely.
is. So you got to plug in. That's the key.
You gotta plug in. Alright. And where can they plug in? Friends of Freeman.
Friends of Freeman, absolutely, yes. Bring it on. Let's all plug together, network with one another, and start sharing resources so that there's abundance everywhere and we can just wander the planet in a joyful, playing, foolish way.
Right on.
Same human way.
Exactly.
Move beyond the reptile.
If I had an armchair